Another day, another metric. Welcome back to Digital Analytics, the channel for marketing, e-commerce, and data analysis of your digital marketing spend. Today, we are going to calculate repurchase rate and learn more why it's important. One of the most important metrics in e-commerce, and one of the things I track on a monthly and quarterly basis, is the repurchase rate. Now, the definition is the number of single order customers divided by the number of total customers. And when you're trying to get revenue growth on your website, you're always keeping track. I keep track of all my new customers on a daily basis on my website sales. And I also want to know a percentage of those customers that have purchased a second time. Now, one of the things in this calculation is you want to take the number of single order customers divided by the number of total buyers. So in this example, if you had 100 buyers in 90 days and 20 of them repurchased a second time, then your repurchase rate would be 20%. Now, the key factor when you're calculating repurchase rate is it takes a look at how long of a time frame of cohorts you're looking at. So whether it's 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. And this varies by industry because for some longer lead times, a customer may not purchase or need to purchase again very quickly. So depending on your industry or what you are selling, it may take 60 days, 90 days, 180 days for something that, literally might be a once a year purchase. Then your repurchase rate, you'd want to determine that on a 365-day basis. So also the critical order for a lot of e-commerce businesses, once you have spent that money to acquire that customer and to defray some of those customer acquisition costs, is that second order. And the third factor is what percentage of those customers are coming back for a second time. So I do like to calculate for a lot of my websites it's 90 days, some of the websites it's 180 days. It's calculating that repurchase rate. Probably one of the most important metrics that I track for an e-commerce site on a monthly and quarterly basis is the repurchase rate. It does help you kind of calculate your path to profitability. It also, with that, you can figure out how long it's going to take to recoup some of your customer acquisition cost. Your repurchase rate, knowing how many of your first-time purchasers purchase a second time, is very important. Remember, hit subscribe, ring that bell for notifications as we bring you more digital analytics.